In this video, I'm going to show you how to build a soil block tray out of a single cedar fence picket. It's a quick build, so let's get started. First up, grab yourself a fence picket. We're going to divide that into 3 pieces. The first one's going to be 2 3/4 inches wide, and the other 2 are going to be 1 1/4 inches wide. Now from that 2 3/4 inch piece, cut 3 lengths, one at 1 foot 10.5 inches, and the other 2 at 11 and 11/16 inches each. Then take the remaining piece and rip it into 2 1 1/4 inch wide strips. Cut all the 1 1/4 inch wide pieces into 8 1 foot 10.5 inch lengths. Next, lay out the end pieces for the handle openings. Remember, the handle openings won't be centered. They'll be offset by the thickness of the back piece. Each handle opening should measure 1 inch wide by 3.5 inches long. Use a 1 inch diameter hole saw to drill these. Connect the bottom of the drilled holes with a pencil line and cut out the remaining handle opening with a jigsaw. Clean up the handle openings with a rasp. This is pretty easy to do because cedar's a soft wood. Now find something about 2 3/4 inches in diameter to draw the front roundovers on the tray ends. Cut the radius with a jigsaw and sand it down to the finished radius using a belt sander. To clean it up a little more, use a router with an 1/8 inch radius nosing bit to ease the handle and top edges of the end pieces. Let's start putting it together. Set up your end pieces so they're stable. I used a couple small jigs to keep mine in place. Remember, the nicer side of the wood should face towards the outside of your tray. Glue and staple the back piece to the edge of the end pieces using 3 1/4 inch crown by 1.5 inch long staples at each corner. Lay the tray topside down and use something to check for squareness. I use the edge of my sawhorse table. Attach the edge slats on both sides. I clamped the tray to the table to ensure it stayed somewhat square while I fastened the rest of the slats in place. Cut 2 spacers slightly heavy at 5/16 inch thick. Use the spacers between the slats to space them on the bottom of the tray. Work from both sides towards the center. Now flip the tray right side up and use a router with an 1/8 inch radius nosing bit to round over the top, inside, and outside edges. Lastly, use a finish sander to sand the ends, back, and edges to the finish you desire. I like using these shallow trays for my soil blocks. They help keep them from drying out too fast. If you're interested, I've been getting mine from Bootstrap Farmer for a while now, and they're super durable. Check the description for a link below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.